This is how I pack wheel bearings. It's an easy way to do it. They sell these tools, and to be honest with you, I've never liked them because it takes 4 guys to press this down far enough to get the grease through the bearings. It's a lot of resistance. So I do them by hand, and this works really great. And anybody can do it without any special tools. I use the grease. I'm taking all the old grease off because I think that the person that packed these before used chassis grease, and chassis grease and wheel bearing grease are not the same. So you got to make sure you use the right grease for this. This is what I use: high temp disc brake wheel bearing grease. And it will say something about wheel bearings no matter what brand you buy if it's the right stuff. So make sure that's what you're getting. Okay, let's pack these. So what I do is I push it into the palm of my hand, and you'll see the grease come out the other end. See how that's coming out of there? So now you know it's packed all the way through. Plus it helps pull out some of the old grease that may not be any good anymore. See how that's pushing through? We know for sure that that's packed all the way through. And that tool I showed you will do that, but it is hard to push that thing down. It's basically like you're trying to compress a 4-inch cylinder, like a hydraulic cylinder, but with grease instead of fluid. So you could imagine how much pressure that takes. Okay, that one's done. And I just use the bearing to scoop up the grease. Just like this, see? And just keep rotating it as it's packing so you can get it all the way around. And I put quite a bit of pressure. You don't have to put as much pressure, but it takes longer. I just push pretty hard against my palm, and it forces the grease through. And when you're done, you've got a bearing that's completely protected by the grease. A little bit more. Yeah, you're going to get dirty, but that's what they make hand cleaner for. See, I rubbed this side off with my hands as I was going around, but it's all the way through. So we're going to put this in the rotor now, but I hope that helps. Useful tips, I think. I've been doing this for probably 45 years and never had a bearing failure yet, so just so you know. Okay, let's put this bearing in. The bigger one is the back one, the inner one. And then whoever did this before didn't have a grease seal on there, so make sure you put a grease seal. That's what protects the bearings. And then I just take something like this and just rock it out so that it's flush with the edge. And then what I like to do is take some of this grease that's in there and rub it on the inside lip of this seal. That seems to protect it more. So this is ready to go in the car.